All right, everybody, what's up? Bryce here, coming at you with yet another real quick crypto market update. And this weekend, we saw quite a bit of exciting announcements. We saw particularly two big ones, and I want to talk about two big ones. The first one is coming out of San Francisco, a group called the Paradigm Fund. Paradigm is a large multi-billion-dollar crypto hedge fund founded by a guy named Fred Ehrsam. And Fred was a co-founder of a little company called Coinbase. So after he exited Coinbase, he started the Paradigm Hedge Fund. Paradigm just announced this weekend that they raised an additional $2.5 billion with a B, $2.5 billion for another crypto hedge fund. So if you guys think like, oh, the market's going to be turning over, we're going to be going into a big bear market, I'm scared, all that kind of stuff, stop right there. Okay, stop, because that's not what's happening. You don't see in huge $2.5 billion institutional sized funds getting spun up, if the market is about to crash and tank. That's not generally how it works. There's a huge bid on the market right now. In Paradigm, you should go, Google them, right, and see what they're, what they're up to. You can see what's in their portfolio and all that kind of stuff. But guess what? What's in their portfolio is mainly DeFi application coins. A lot of which we talk about in our service in Crypt Nation. Our subscribers are getting this sort of analysis on the best DeFi application coins. So if you're not already a subscriber, just hit that button below. But I want to move on to the second biggest thing. Okay, the second biggest thing that happened, which could even be, just as big. A company called Marathon Mining is one of the largest Bitcoin miners that's publicly traded in America. Okay, so they're worth billions of dollars, and they just announced that they're raising another $500 million. And what is that $500 million going to go to? Buying Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin miners. So there's a $500 million bid coming onto the market that you guys are just getting aware of. So that's the sort of liquidity that basically turns this market, which is kind of stagnating. We're at the all-time highs, but we haven't been able to really break back above that $67,000 mark. We've just kind of been correcting a little bit to the sideways. But news announcements like that have real freaking meat to them, not just fluff. These are what moves markets. So that's why I think the market bottom is close, right? I think right now I'm recording this, price is about 63,400. If we get down to like 60K, I mean, that's an all-out screaming buy. But I think that, valuations across the board don't seem too out of proportion when you kind of take into context a lot of this other bullish fundamental developments that are on the, basically on the cusp and that are happening right now. So anyhow, all that to say, this is a tremendous time to be an investor in the market. As you guys know, Q4, the fourth quarter, historically best performing quarter, and November is historically the best performing month for Bitcoin. So I'm expecting a spectacular last 2 weeks of the month. I'm expecting wild volatility into the new year. And with that being said, guys, that's your market update. And now if you aren't already subscribed, I mentioned it really briefly. Let me tell you a little bit more. So we've got a group with over 10,000 crypto investors and traders and enthusiasts. We've got a newsletter with buy and sell zones, the exact prices, the exact coins, where we think they're good value, where we think they're bad value. We've got a tremendous, video library of educational content, how to set up your wallet, all that good stuff. But mainly, if you want to crush the markets, you need to be with an awesome group. And if you really do want to crush the markets, you need to know which coins are worth buying and which ones are worth selling, right? And so with all that being said, you could click that link below. It's that big orange button, and for $1, you could get a 2-week trial. And that's risk-free, right? So come and check it out. And we highly encourage you guys to come get your feet wet here in the crypto industry. And if you already are in the crypto industry, come on over and dive deep, because we got an awesome community. All right, I'm Bryce, guys. That is your crypto market update.